Hey there, and welcome back to Honest Explorer, the place where we dive deep into the tech that's shaping our world. Today, we're getting up close and personal with a TV that's turning heads, the Samsung QLED QEF1. The first thing you'll notice is its stunning design. With its incredibly slim look and minimalist aesthetic, this isn't just a TV. It's a piece of art that blends seamlessly into any room, whether it's on a stand or mounted on the wall. But the beauty isn't just on the outside. Powering this TV is the revolutionary Q4 AI processor. This isn't just a simple chip. It's the brain that intelligently optimizes everything you see and hear, giving you a truly immersive experience. And speaking of seeing, let's talk about the visuals. Thanks to its 100% color volume with quantum dot technology, you get a billion shades of breathtaking color. The difference is night and day. From vibrant colors to incredible detail, everything looks richer and more lifelike. The quantum dot technology is also safe quantum dot and doesn't use cadmium, a restricted substance. This means you get a vibrant picture without any compromise to your health or the environment. This is real colors, real QLED. You deserve nothing less. But what about your old videos? The Q4 AI processor has a trick up its sleeve with its 4K upscaling. It takes your favorite low-resolution content and intelligently transforms it into stunning 4K, giving new life to all your old favorites. Now, let's talk about sound. With adaptive sound, the TV's audio automatically adjusts to the type of content you're watching. Whether you're watching a sports game, a dramatic movie, or playing a video game, you'll experience sound just as the artist intended. For those who want to take their audio to the next level, Q Symphony is a game changer. It orchestrates the TV's speakers and a compatible soundbar to work in perfect harmony, creating a fuller, more immersive soundscape with clear and immersive dialogue. And for an even more dynamic sound experience, OTS Lite uses virtual top speakers to fill your space with 3D surround sound, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Beyond watching movies, the TV can also be a canvas. The Art Store lets you turn your living room into a world of famous museums with certified artwork from renowned institutions. You get access to thousands of works of art with new collections curated by season and theme each month. In today's connected world, security is paramount. That's where Samsung Knox Security comes in, providing robust protection for your TV and smart home. With features like phishing website blockers and regular updates, you can rest assured that your privacy is secured. With Samsung Vision AI and a remarkable 7 years OS upgrade for free, the QEF1 isn't just a TV for today, it's a TV built for the future. So what do you think of this TV? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We'll see you on the next exploration.